So today we're going to replace the steering wheel on this Cobalt 292. And first thing you want to do, put a pick or flathead behind your center cap. On this one, this is how it comes out, pops out. Next thing you want to do is grab yourself a deep socket and a ratchet, and you want to pull that nut off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So you want to hold the steering wheel, and that nut should come off pretty easily. If it doesn't, have somebody else hold the steering wheel while you put some force on the nut and get it off. So we've got that off, it's in there. And as you can see, the only thing left there is this washer. I'll try to get it out. If not, we'll just leave it and it'll come out with the steering wheel. Yeah, it's still in there. So next thing we're going to do is yank up on the steering wheel. Just grab here and here on either side or wherever you're comfortable. And you're going to have to give it 5 or 6 good tugs, and generally it'll come out. I've only had them get stuck once, and if that happens, you're going to have to use a manual puller. So we're going to give it a couple tugs, see if it'll come out. So I gave it a few good tugs and it's loose, and before I take it off, as you can see, there's 2 guide pins in there, 2 spots for guide pins. The guide pin for this one, the key, is in this slot here. So what I want to do is turn the steering wheel straight and then pull it off. That way I know exactly where the new one needs to go in order to have a straight installation so that it's not off center or anything like that. So now that we've got it straight, we're going to pull it off and then position the new one. Alright, so now we got the new steering wheel on. We don't have the nut on yet. We've got the washer and the nut. We'll place the washer on. Oops. Make sure it goes on correctly. There we go. And then the nut, you notice one side of it has a locking nylon insert and the other side's flat. Make sure it's flat side down. And get it started by hand so we don't cross thread it. And then once you get it started, we'll use our ratchet to tighten it down. Then we should be good to go. Alright, we've got everything nice and torqued down, nice and tight. And the last thing we want to do is put the center cap on. For this one, I got the Gussie Italia center cap, who's the manufacturer for the wheel. We'll go ahead and put it on with the included 3M adhesive. We'll go in the middle, and that's what our new steering wheel is going to look like. This one's a bronze anodized steering wheel to match some of the interior of this boat with some of the brown and tan color schemes. I think it's going to look pretty good. Hope you enjoyed. And there it is, all done. Brand new steering wheel, freshened up the look of the dash really well.